Hey guys, this video, make sure you subscribe, like, share. So, we got a Y, we got an Estabrook, picking up a toilet, being vented, picking up a tub. So from this point to the outlet of the tub, can't be more than 24 inches. And we got a toilet here, or water closet. And then another toilet over there. All right. And then off that Estabrook, we're picking up a sink upstairs. All right. Then we pull a Y off to pick up another sink. All right. Just a little bit of knowledge. And then we're venting it. Right. We're venting the Estabrook. We're venting pretty much 3 fixtures, a tub and 2 toilets. All right, just a little knowledge, guys. Have a good day. So this one's a little different. We pulled the Y off, vented the tub here, and we got a TY that's picking up a toilet, and we're wet venting it 2 inch through. Wet venting a toilet through a lab. Another concept. All right, guys. Make sure, like I said, you subscribe, like, share. Let me know your thoughts. And, have a good day.